Hmm. So yesterday, when I was speaking with that guy, same field guy, so I was, what do you call it? It's work related, right? And I cannot, what do you call it? Call for anyone for work because uh, scammers are after people who do good in their life. In English word. People are doing good in their life, scammers are going after them. So that's the thing. So I don't want any troubles to anyone. But meanwhile, if any trouble happens somewhere where my device is kept or outside or something, or what do you call it, a clone or something, so what can I do? I cannot do anything. I know where I was, and the device attitude till the location it will attitude. It's called the height when you measure and height of a device. It's called attitude. So I was below my flat and what do you call it? Below the place where I lived, and I don't know what's happening. Uh, I have to keep every event on a record. So it was some work thing which I said I cannot use my phone to call anyone because scammers will what do you call it? Scammers go after rich people. So I don't want uh, troubles to anyone, and so I gotta do good in my life. Right? I gotta see that good people are not suffered because of this racket. This racket is looting 6K people in a day. You believe this shit? So I don't look through that they shouldn't do this to innocents. And that's why the copyright is to the entire country, because so many people are in this. That means it's a big racket, big fucking racket. And what's next? So I was somewhere there regarding some work yesterday, and meanwhile, if uh, uh, from the where the devices are kept, where the art material are kept, whatever happens, happens. People are there, right? So I don't. What do you call it? I only have to keep my events on record, because I'll tell you what the matter is. I go out of the house, and this is the procedure. What do you call it? The event which I have got. I go out of the house. Something happened from devices, which I have no clue what it is. So that's my thing. I keep myself on record on an event where I am. So even if it's the same building or duplex, the attitude will show which floor I am. But I don't think there are people over there who don't. What do you call it? I don't think so. But trusting too much, that means never have to trust anyone. You never have to trust anyone. Even when you are working on a crime, you never may know what is happening. Money is involved. So money is a dangerous thing. Anything can, anyone can, what do you call it? Commit crime for few bugs. So yesterday. So anyways, uh, where is the clone? Where it is? What's happening? What's been done? I have no clue. But I got to do my thing, right? Keep everything on record.